want to download YouTube videos to your gallery, no app, you need to hear this first before you try it. Because there are web apps that claim that you can download YouTube videos for free without any copyright. But hear me, I'm going to be showing you how you can download YouTube videos for free to use in your editing or your reaction videos for free without any copyright. So hear this before you do it. Let me show you one of the app that you will use that is not going to lead you to any copyright strike, and you can check from there. What is you talking to me? I got a 2 and a 3. What do you mean? Because many people are facing the
We've all been there as new or small channel creators, haven't we?
Directly from YouTube. But I'm going to be showing you how you can download your YouTube videos with no app and without any copyright from YouTube, so as you can keep for your purpose or you can use for any of your commercial use. There are website and app that claim that you can download videos without any copyright strike, but they are actually lying to you. But here is a simple truth: downloading YouTube videos out of YouTube official website is actually going to violate the policies. So I'm going to be showing you one app that you can use to download your YouTube videos without any restriction and without you falling into YouTube policies or against their policies. So let me take you step by step through how you can download videos from this particular app that I'm going to be reviewing to you as long as we go down through this understanding. So the first I'm going to be showing you is called VidMate. VidMate, this is an app where you can copy a link of a video and you bring to this app, and you can easily download your video from here without. You can paste the link inside this app and you can download it without having issues. Let me show you how we do it. Now, first of all, we need to head into our YouTube. You can still access the YouTube from here, but I would like that we do it from YouTube into the VidMate app so that you see every step as we do it. So we go to our YouTube. Now we are in our YouTube. So let's say you want to download this particular video. You click on the video. As the videos play,
for any song, there's one.
When the video plays, you are going to go to more. Then you copy the video link. You go to about. You look for the video link where they say info on the right there, YouTube. You copy. You take copy. Then you head on to our app called VidMate. Sorry, that is refreshing again. You head on to VidMate. Now when you head on to VidMate, you don't just directly paste the link like that. You click on YouTube, where it's going to be taken to an interface where you will paste the link that you have copied to it. So this is the interface. So here we are going to be putting our link that we copy from YouTube. Remember, you are going to be taking paste. This is the link that you take search. The video is actually going to appear here. These are the videos. So this is the guy we saw from YouTube. So if you actually want to download this video, you click on the video as if you are playing the video. Cause anytime I play, it's night or day. So we are not here to play the music. Now you see where they say download. This is download here with a red button. So you are going to be clicking on the download, and when you click on the download, they are going to be showing you what size do you want to download the video. So you are going to take you are not going to take the music on the first side. You are going to go down where they say video, then you choose on the particular MP you want, the MP4 you want to download. So me, I'm going to be taking 3.360p. It does not have restriction. You can even do it up to 1800p HD. Then you click on your download. Then your video is going to be downloading. Hey, baby, know that I got you. And it is
As you
very
know,
fast
I'm a
in
big
downloading.
advocate of Suno. That Suno has yet to do is the ability to use your own voice. But I found a solution, and that is a platform called Controller. Controller allows you to take your own voice and put it on any song.
2026 works and how to use it
So
to go
if you are
viral
downloading for
or at
editing,
least be at the
or you
top
are
of your
downloading
niche.
for
So as soon as you upload your video, 8 tokens are
reaction
attached to
videos,
it. And tokens are these little
then
labels
always
that
make sure
contain
you check the
information that
copyright.
tells YouTube what viewers would
Content creation tips for your,
Hello,
for your
lovely people.
channel
You're welcome back to another
that you
interesting
won't, that you
video.
don't want
See
to
who we
destroy your
have here.
channel.
Nani won't
Subscribe.
Hello, lovely.
Snapchat just quietly
I
paid out
teach
$500 million to
and
create.
not shortcut that destroy monetization.
Look at this video.
In 2041,